What's up, everybody? Fingerboard Gaming here today. Boom, boom. And today we got a very nice, very new, very special unboxing. And that is my brand new ramp. Now, I don't know how many people have heard about this company, but it's called Ark Ramps. ARKRAMPS. And unlike most ramp companies, they don't really just have stuff in stock. They make them by order. So sometimes it might take 1-2 weeks to get them to make the order, but then they ship it out. So since I know a few people that have gotten ramps from them, and they actually received them, they were successful, I decided to just try them myself. Wow, this is really good tape. So what I got, I decided to go big, because they have like small stuff like kickers, banks, mani pads. Easy stuff that I can easily make myself. But the thing I decided to order, it's actually rather difficult. You need more like special tools in order to make it. So I just can't easily make it myself. I have to like go with someone that actually has the tools in order to make this stuff. Whereas I would probably end up spending more money in tools. Like, I would spend more money in tools to build this than it would actually just cost just to buy it from him. So we have the bubble wrap. Pull that out. Drop this on the floor. And pull this baby out and just look at the love and the glory. And here we have it, the Bumper XL from Ark Ramps. There's the Ark logo, and this thing feels smooth like that. Oh, like this feels smooth, like it's beautiful. Now this guy, he kind of like, oh, it's even pretty grippy too. Oh, he put little grips on the corners. That explains it. Yeah, boom. Is this a sticker or his card? I think this is just his card. Oh no, it is a sticker. Ark Ramp sticker. Yeah, this baby right here, this is it. Oh, now I do notice one imperfection right off the bat. I'm gonna make sure it's not my table. No, I don't believe it's the table. This thing does have some slight wobble to it, so he didn't actually get it flush. That's a little disappointing, but not the end of the world. Because I'm pretty sure, despite that, which that is gonna like irk me off and on, but despite that, it should still be relatively easily usable. Like we go like that. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, it rolls on pretty easily. Oh wow, that's a heavy flip. Okay, let's up the height a little bit. There we go. Come on, just a little heel. This like with no warm up. That was a real sketchy heel flip. There we go, that's perfect. Back flip. Dolphin heel. Come on. Just a little kick flip. There we go. Double kick flip. Little shove. There we go. almost. Try to do a little half, 1 foot half impossible on the Casper, and that's not quite working for me now. Almost. Oh. Oh, for some reason I'm having a weird time with the ollies. Like, I'm so used to doing this trick on my Fun Box, so doing it off of this, it's just the angle. It's kind of throwing me off pretty good. Because I know doing this off the Fun Box, it was like almost like every Trico thing with the Fun Box. There we go, like that. Like literally I landed while I'm talking and I'm not even looking at the board. Like that. So I did two relatively close together. Now, as far as the wood he uses, as you can tell, these wheels, they really grip and traction to this ramp really good, so the wood's nice and smooth, very grippy. Despite it being wobbly, I see like no actual performance issues with it. And maybe eventually the wood will settle and kind of like flatten as the weight presses down on it. So it might become a little less wobbly over time. But for now, it's just a little wobbly, but very smooth. And the lands are very, very clean. Like with the Fun Box, if you land on the corner or something, you're gonna have that little hump you would hit. Whereas with this, you land here and you just smoothly roll down. So I love the way the landings feel. Like you can land at the very top of the hump and just roll. You don't necessarily have to clear the flat surface in the middle. I love that. See, overall, craftsmanship, like you see how smooth that is? Very smooth, very straight. Very well put together. And you see that it's relatively pretty straight. I mean, like kind of curves off just a little bit more on this side where it kind of divots inward. And then right here, it looks pretty straight, pretty good. And I mean, it kind of drops a little lower here versus right here, but it still hits very smoothly. So yeah, we got some probably like 3/8 plywood, untreated. This appears to be 2x6. He cut and shortened in length and made the little circle shape. Which doing this circular shape like this, the way he curved it, that takes a lot of like patience. Because if you're holding a Sawzall or even like a little pulsing blade that you can like actually press up against this and like trace it, takes a lot of precision, a lot of patience. I've used them myself, and it's definitely something you don't want to rush. So he definitely puts his time and patience into these ramps. He puts his soul into it, basically. You can tell by the product. He really likes what he does, and he puts a lot of effort into it. And the fact that he used untreated, that does like help with the weight. Because some people might use treated wood just so it'll like live longer. And if they want to like use it outside, they have an outdoor park, they just leave it outside. They won't have to worry about it decaying and getting ruined, or termites might be taking it over. So yeah, it's relatively light. It's not something too heavy. So if you want to take it on the go with you, you can probably just grab it like this and walk with it. Take it in your car, take it to a friend's house, have a little fingerboard party. So now I'm going to be scooting this camera over here, and we're going to see just how it looks set up on the skate park. Because as y'all can see, I got the fun box here and everything, which I was, as much as I hate doing this, I already plan on like replacing this cardboard fun box I made years ago with something more professional. And I think this Arc Ramps XL bumper is just the ramp to do this with. So there we go, we set it up like that. We put the A-frame here like that. And there we go. Like, just look at how nice that looks. That looks nice. So whenever I be doing clips now, instead of doing it from the kicker, I'll be doing it on this ramp. Oh, hold on. We're actually having some technical difficulties. Yeah, hold on. There we go. So apparently we have to put it right here. All the way up here. Because if you put it in the center, for some reason it's just not leveling out like it should. So I might have to resituate some things. Then I'm going to scoot this back some. Now y'all see it better, where it's not like right here it's just wobbling a lot. Yeah, like that. That's not good. Not good at all. Now of course I could always like shave this down some in the center so it matches my park better. But I think I'll just scoot it forward some. I think that'll kind of serve me good enough. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Close enough. Boom. Almost. Well, I know I can do this trick. Close enough. Yeah, remember that. Arc Ramps, A-R-K. They're on Instagram. You can go to their Instagram, then the link to their stores in their bio. Check them out. See if there's something you want to buy from them. I guess I kind of recommend them. Like, I give it a solid 8 out of 10 as far as satisfaction goes. You can rate them yourselves if you buy from them. Let me know what you think. And like always, like, share, leave a comment down below. Be sure to subscribe. And I will see you guys later. Bye.